the CSAT trap that most of us actually fall into. So, the correct answer to this question from the year 2023 is not Thursday. We'll see why this is a trap question and how we can prepare ourselves to not fall into such traps. जल्दी से नज़र डालते हैं into the concept behind this. So this is a question from the year 2023 based on the topic calendar, which is part of logical reasoning. काफ़ी important topic है. Now, to solve this problem, let's say today is Sunday, what day it is exactly on 10 to the power 10th day, we first understand how do we proceed with such questions. 10 to the power 10 is a very large number to comprehend, है ना, बहुत ही बड़ा नंबर है. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, पहले इसको समझते हैं with the help of smaller data. So instead of this number, I have reduced this number and kept it as 10 days. And let's understand the working behind it first. Once we have that idea, we can easily apply that concept and work out our problem. Now, today is a Sunday. What day it will be after 10 days? So what is the step? Whatever days you have here, you just divide it by 7, focus on remainder. The remainder is 3. तो आपका आंसर क्या होगा? Today is Sunday, so Sunday plus 3 is basically Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. ये आंसर है. Now before 10 days, you know the remainder is 3. Sunday minus 3. Sunday minus 1 is Saturday, minus 2 is Friday, minus 3 is a Thursday. Alright. Exactly after 10 days is same as after 10 days. इन दोनों में there is no difference. What was our remainder? 3. क्या करना होगा? Sunday plus 3 we would be getting Wednesday. अब मुझे careful रहना because now the fourth one is what we have as our question. Exactly on 10 to the power 10th day. इसमें क्या करना होता है? सबसे पहले तो आप रिमाइंडर निकालो. रिमाइंडर इज 3. Now whatever is our current day, जैसे Sunday, you plus the remainder and then minus 1. So ultimately it is Sunday plus 3 minus 1, which is Sunday plus 2. Sunday plus 2 is a Tuesday. अभी ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है इसको समझते हैं. जैसे अगर मान लो आज संडे है एंड आई टेल यू व्हाट डे इट वुड बी आफ्टर 1 डे, तो आप बोलोगे संडे प्लस 1, मंडे. डन. सो मैंने क्या करा? संडे प्लस द रिमाइंडर. बिफोर 1 डे, संडे माइनस 1, दैट इज द डे. एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर 1 डे, तो संडे प्लस 1. बट एग्जैक्टली ऑन द फर्स्ट डे, अगर ये क्वेश्चन है तो यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद अ संडे. फर्स्ट डे तो संडे ही होगा. तो व्हाट यू डू? संडे प्लस द रिमाइंडर minus 1. Sunday plus 1 minus 1 is actually Sunday plus 0, which is Sunday. और ऐसा होना भी चाहिए. Now you know the trick or you have an idea regarding the language of exactly on 10 to the power 10 days. Mostly we are in the loop of solving after few days. तो हमने क्या करा? Whatever is our day plus remainder लिख दिया. That is our answer. But that is wrong for this question. I hope you understood the difference. अब अगर ये difference clear है कि मुझे करना क्या है, I should not be writing Sunday plus remainder. The answer for exactly on 10 to the power 10 days is minus 1. Sunday plus remainder minus 1. Now I'll use concepts of another topic which is remainder theorem, and I'll try to find 10 to the power 10 days में when I divide it by 7, what is our remainder? How do I do this? In order to do this, I'll use the concepts of remainder theorem. आपको दिक्कत आ रही है इसको समझने में? There is video on our channel regarding the concept of remainder theorem. आप सिर्फ ये सर्च करो remainder theorem, you'd be getting their lectures. Remainder theorem, aptitude with Abhishek Sinha, you'll get the lectures. There is part 1, part 2 and part 3. 3 lectures. You are done and dusted with remainder theorem concepts. Nothing to worry about. अब ज़रा इसको देखते हैं. बेस को डिवाइड करने के लिए आई डिवाइड इट विद द करंट डिवाइजर, डिवाइडेड बाई 7. व्हाट इज आर रिमाइंडर? द रिमाइंडर सीम्स टू बी 3. ठीक है, नाउ द बेस इज नॉट 10, इट इज 3. पावर को रिड्यूस करने के लिए पावर इज ऑल्सो 10. क्या मैं 7 से डिवाइड कर दूं? नो, दैट इज अ रॉन्ग अप्रोच. वी हैव टू रिड्यूस द पावर विद द टोशेंट ऑफ 7. The totient of 7 is actually 6 because 7 is a prime number. The totient of any prime number p is always p minus 1. जैसे अगर 11 होता तो 11 के लिए totient क्या आएगा? 11 minus 1 10. अगर 5 होता तो 5 minus 1 which is 4. Totient of any prime number is always p minus 1. 7 के लिए totient क्या होगा? 6. And why are we using the totient method? Because we want to focus on the last digit, or we want to focus on the basically the power reduction basically. अब क्या करते हैं? Totient is used to reduce powers. Totient is used to reduce powers, इसीलिए totient का यूज कर रहे हैं. 10 divided by 6, the remainder is 4. So now 10 to the power 10 जो कि एक बहुत बड़ा नंबर था, it has been reduced to 3 to the power 4 upon 7. It is 81. 3 to the power 4 by 7. It will go up to 77. तो रिमाइंडर आ जाएगा यहाँ पे 4 का. Now, if this is a question on after, I know the answer is Sunday plus remainder. But since it is a question on exactly on 10 to the power 10th day, the final answer is Sunday plus remainder minus 1. So Sunday plus 4 minus 1, which is Sunday plus 3, and this is a Wednesday. Most of us were trapped into marking it as a Thursday. So इसमें दो traps हैं. One is you should know the concept of remainder theorem to get to the remainder value for this. सबसे बड़ा difficult part ये है कि आप इसके concept use करो, remainder निकालो. Even when you are done with the remainder, if you are not able to understand the language here, तो आपका सारा किया कराया वेस्ट हो जाएगा. द करेक्ट आंसर इज नॉट थर्सडे, इट इज अ वेंसडे. ऑप्शन ए इज योर करेक्ट फिट. In order to go through more such problems, more such concept, you can always connect with us and join our course if you feel this would be helpful. All right, happy learning everyone. Take care. Bye bye.